In 21, we've been given a relationship between the volume of water in a container compared with the time. And you can see that the volume of the water is an exponential rise as time increases. And we've been asked to find the gradient of the graph when t is equal to 17.5, which is here. So that's my best effort to pop a tangent to the curve at that point, and we've got to do our best to read off from the scale the gradient of this line. So what you've got to do is pick two nice points. Well, that's quite a good point to choose, and well, you'd have to probably go here. So the gradient is the rise over the run. This will be 17.5 here, and this will be 5. So our rise is equal to 17.5 minus 5, and that is equal to 12.5. And we're dividing by the run, which in this case is 25, minus, this is 10, so that's 11, 11.5, and this comes to 13.5. So it's quite near 1. If you pop that into a calculator, you'll get 0.9259, which is equal to 0.9, and that's to 1 dp. The exam will accept a range of answers. Part B really just asks us to describe what we've just found. What we've just found is that at time t equals 17.5, the rate of change of the volume compared with the time is 0.9. So this is really the flow of water into the container is equal to 0.9, and we're in litres per second. And that will be your answer.